Entry number 26, Camarines Sur National High School. Principal, Sulpicio C. Alvarez III. Corps Commander, Cadet Colonel Enrique S. Adolfo Jr. Corps XO, Lieutenant Colonel C.N. Arthur B. Casalin. Corps S1, Cadet Major Renz Zamudio. Corps S2, Cadet Major A. Joy C. Oliviano. Corps S3, Cadet Major Lawrence Angelito F. Cabase. Corps S4, Cadet Major Mark Vincent M. Javier. Major and Leader, Adrian Borja Paginao. Band Leader, Josh Sabintero Carpio. Company Commander, Cadet Captain John Mallard A. Benuaga. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Renz Adrian A. Kilpio. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant John Lister R. Cortizan. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Tricia May C. Altamarino. CAT Facilitator Commandant Jose F. Reyes. Band Advisor Coordinator Erwin Saliesa. Major Explainer Jessa Miguel Nacion. Entry number 26, Camarines Sur National High School, Camarines Sur, Naga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 26, Camarines Sur National High School, Naga City.